Dito po kami nag-standby kapag wala kaming gala. As you can see, ayan. Ito yung nagiging Future Berida. It is located here in the back of Vista Mall. So ito yung helipad here. So what are you doing too?
To him.
Uh,
Daddy, what are you doing?
Huh?